In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to your Substack posts. Tags are a useful tool for organizing your content and helping your subscribers find posts that are relevant to their interests. So let's dive right in and explore the simple steps to add tags to your Substack posts. First off, you'll want to log into your Substack account and head over to your dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center for everything Substack related. This is where you can manage your newsletters, track your analytics, and of course add those all important tags to your posts. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to make a decision. Are you writing a new post or editing an existing one? If you're creating fresh content, go ahead and click on the new post button. If you have a post that's already in the works and you'd like to enhance it with some tags, simply click on the post you want to edit. With your post open, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the settings option. It's easy to miss at first glance, so make sure you look closely. This is a crucial step as the settings menu not only allows you to add tags, but can also help you configure many other aspects of your post. In the settings menu, you'll see a field labeled Add Tags. This is where the magic happens. Click into this field to start adding your tags. Think of tags as keywords or categories that best describe your post's content. They should be relevant, concise, and targeted to help your readers understand what your post is about at a glance. Let's say your post is about technology updates. You might want to add tags such as tech or innovation. Simply type your desired tag into the field and press enter. That's it, your tag is now attached to your post. You have the freedom to add as many relevant tags as you think are necessary. However, it's generally a good idea to keep it between 1 to 5 tags for clarity. This ensures that your post is not overwhelmed with tags, making it easier for your audience to identify what it's about and find similar content on your newsletter. By using tags strategically, you improve the discoverability of your posts and offer a better reading experience to your audience. Whether it's a post about your personal story or writing tips, well-chosen tags can make all the difference. So, take your time to think about which keywords will best categorize your content. And there you have it. Adding tags to your Substack posts can significantly enhance how your audience interacts with your content, ensuring they find exactly what interests them amid your numerous insights and narratives. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy tagging on Substack.